Do you struggle with the fear of holding on to something, like you're holding on to a song? It's like, I feel like this is gonna be big, but I just don't feel like it's gonna be big right now. Have you ever went through that experience?
I've definitely thought that. And it's just a gamble, because why songs become huge or become hits or become well known is really not a science. You can't crack it. It's like atmospheric noise, right? It's just everything has to align at the right moment, at the right time. And there's no way metrics can tell you how that happens. It's a little bit like winning the lottery. You can't plan for it. You can't try to remake moments like that. I think of that scene in Back to the Future when Marty McFly is playing all these hits from his time that weren't, hits back then, and the crowd's just silent. I think about that moment a lot, because what if the music I'm making right now is maybe too futuristic, or maybe too ahead of its time, or maybe too behind its time? And then I just remember it's not my place to decide that, or it's not in my best interest to think about these things, because there's no way to know for sure. The only way you can be certain is to just put things out there out of respect for the song, and out of respect for the musical work you've created, because I feel every piece of music, every piece of art has a time and place for it. And that's usually at the point of creation. Once you conceptualize it, once you render it, once you think of the idea, that's where it belongs. And that's why you have to put things out immediately.
What's up, DAW Nation? Hope you enjoyed this quick tip video that we took from our MYRNE episode of Behind the DAW, which, by the way, if you want to watch the entire episode, up here in the top right corner, right up here, there's going to be a card showing up where you can click on that card and it will take you to the full episode of Behind the DAW with MYRNE. As well as there is going to be a link down in the description. You can go ahead and click on that link. It will take you to the full episode of Behind the DAW with MYRNE as well. Also, hit the little thumb button below. Not too hard, just hard enough, you know what I mean? And leave a little comment right below that. We'd love to know what your thoughts are on this quick tip video. If it really helped you, let us know. If you want us to change something, let us know. We would love to hear from you. So with that being said, DAW Nation, make sure to check back here constantly, all right? Every couple of days, every day, whatever works for you, because we're constantly putting out more and more content that we know is going to help you on your music production journey. Again, DAW Nation, make sure to like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell. And with all that out of the way, we'll see you on our next quick tip video.